Hi, I'm Rebecca and this is Molly and we're from Rapid Travel Group. Sometimes creating content, especially when you've got a small department in marketing, can be quite hard. So I think having a fresh set of eyes on your brand and the content you're creating really helped us sort of branch out into different areas where we probably wouldn't have done before, especially with the statistics, sharing our statistics online, which I think our would you call them viewers or customers, followers, they really like. So that's had a huge impact, hasn't it?
Yeah, especially if we're doing something big like a new campaign. I always set up a meeting with Elliot and then just have a look at what I've made so far and get his advice on how I can improve it or any ideas he might have for campaigns.
It's a good fit for us because they're just as passionate as we are, so it works really well.
I've become much better at my job as a result of being more social, and I'd argue that the clear improvement in our social media has led to lots of new leads coming in and therefore just improved overall Rapid Travel Group.
Yeah, definitely.
My digital guru Elliot has helped me a lot in the time we've been working together, which is almost a year now. Even when it's just little questions I might send him on Instagram, he's always happy to help me. And he's taught me a lot in the one-to-one sessions we've had and the weekly sessions. I'd say two of the most important things that Elliot's helped me with is learning about how to make messages that you can send to people and would actually get them to respond to you, which then gets them talking and might lead to a lead. One of the other biggest things I've learned is how to make content better. So the content I made before working with Elliot wasn't anywhere near as professional looking as it is now, and there's all sorts of tips and tricks he's taught me.
I think definitely for us we've seen an impact in the leads that have come out. I know Elliot helped you with the script, doesn't he?
Yeah.
And that's helped me, having a small sales team, that's helped me having an extra leg to our sales team, so it's really helped us get the brand out there for one, but also increase sales by our platform on social media.
We've had quite a lot of results as a result of working with Be More Social. The biggest one is probably our followers. It's doubled on LinkedIn and increased dramatically on Facebook and Twitter, as well as Instagram. So that's been a huge improvement, and as a result we've just received a lot more visibility, a lot more people know about us.
Elliot also inspired us to change the brand. I feel like the brand before was a little wishy-washy, but now it's the core primary colours that we use. They pop. We did an exhibition last week and we used those branding colours there, and it looked amazing, didn't it? It was really good.
Really stood out.
Really stood out.
There's lots of different aspects to the BMS service, but their main role is teaching. So they help us with one-to-one sessions, lessons in social media posts on their own platforms. They also have blogs, and they do weekly lunchtime learning sessions, which are then saved to their website that you can look back on at any point. Be ready to put the work in. It's not a deal where you can just sign up and never attend any of the sessions. It's never going to make any difference if you don't put the effort in yourself.
I would say it makes you accountable for your marketing, because it can be something that you don't have time for, you don't want to do, but having these guys on board, especially Elliot being our guru, he does make us accountable.